Okay, let's take a look at Waltz in A minor. The best way to learn this piece is to take it apart. So you've got the melody, which are the notes that are pointing up. That would be the notes that the IM fingers are playing. So learn that part first. If you look at every measure and learn the notes. This whole exercise is in quarter notes except for the last measure. So as you're learning the top melody notes, just go through each measure and play the first note of every measure. Once you get that, go back and now do the bass notes, which would be the notes that are pointing down. If you look on beats 2 and 3, again, those are the notes that are pointing down. So go through there and play your A, your E, and then later on your D. Once you can get those together and that part by itself, then you're going to go back and you're going to combine the notes together like this. Take a look at measure 1. Sorry. I played the melody, then I played the bass notes. Measure 2, the same thing, melody, and then I went on. As you're learning it, I would try not to let the notes ring over each other. Eventually, maybe if you get it fast enough, you can go ahead and let that melody ring. But for learning the quarter notes, I would try to kill the note. Right, and then so on. Remember, it's rest stroke on the melody. So make sure you're using that rest stroke so that you can hear the melody louder. So you're going to use your index finger and your middle finger, and then you're using the thumb. So use a rest stroke on the melody. The melody are the notes that are being played with the I and the M finger. Okay. Again, as you're playing, you could probably let that note ring out the whole measure while you play the bass note. Okay.